Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you how you can send photos in TikTok. For that, you'll need to install TikTok and update TikTok to get new features. First, open the TikTok app and make sure that you have a login into the TikTok account. At the bottom, you can see the inbox option. Just tap on it, then you'll be guided to the inbox page where you can tap on the existing chat or start new conversation with the person you want to send picture. You can search from scrolling down any account, or at the top you can see the search icon. On the top right corner, just tap on it. Then you can search any username from here. In chat, you can see the option to attach or send pictures. At the bottom you can see the image icon. Just tap on it. Then you will be able to see pictures. You can search from it and send any picture you like to and tap on the send. At the bottom you can see the send option. Just tap on it. Then your photo or image you want to send to any user will be sent. So this was it guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.